So a new feature in Microsoft Excel 2021 and Microsoft Excel 365 is the maps function. So this is a pretty cool tool so that you can illustrate some data in a map format. So here I have data where this is by state, this is sales by state, so this is just some made up data. If I go to the Insert tab and then I go to Maps and then I just click on it, it will add the map for the United States. So this is by state. So this is set up. You can change the formats. You can change the title. This looks and feels just like a normal chart. So you can change any information that you want on this. So if I can just put in the title. So this is a great way to illustrate data. You can also do it by country. So on the next tab, I have country and then population of each country. So again, if I go to Insert, just get rid of that. If I go to Insert and then go to Maps and then go there, it automatically illustrates. You can see the most populous countries are in blue, dark blue. What's cool about this is if I change this data, you'll see that the data on the map automatically changes. And then the other data, so United States is now the most populous country, that automatically now becomes bold in the color. You can change the schematic again, just like a normal map. You can change how this looks. So I can change different fonts, colors, just like a normal chart.